Here's one thing I've learned for sure after trading online for over 25 years. The tiniest little annoyances can cost you the biggest trades. I'm not talking about missing some fancy new trading indicator or not buying that hot stock. I'm talking about your gear, because your trading setup is only as strong as the weakest accessory sitting on your desk. I've seen traders with a $5,000 computer get smoked because their wireless mouse died right in the middle of a trade. I can't tell you how many times I've heard this. And guess what? It's even happened to me. So today I'm breaking down the top 6 accessories that every trader needs to go with their trading computer setup. If you get these right, you'll eliminate some of the dumbest and most preventable things that sabotage our trades. Here we go. First up, the simplest but most important, have a wired mouse and keyboard. And look, I get it. I love wireless too. It looks clean. There's no wires cluttering your desk. But the problem is these batteries have a way of dying at the worst possible moment. It's happened to me. And I don't care if you're running one of those mice that runs on the AAA batteries or it's one of those rechargeable ones. They suck for trading. The rechargeable models have a way of losing connectivity, and the AAA battery ones just die on you randomly. And in trading, milliseconds matter. Imagine you're trying to exit a position before a stock tanks. You just go to grab that mouse and nothing happens. That's not just super effing annoying, that's expensive. Now, if you really love wireless, that's fine, use it. But do yourself a favor, and this is a really easy solution. Keep a wired mouse plugged into a USB port in the back of your computer and just tuck it away behind one of your monitors, so they're actually both connected at the same time. Think of it like a safety net. Most of the time you won't need it, but the day you do, it'll save your account. Now let's talk about a good stereo headset with a microphone. This isn't just for music. This is your passport into trading rooms, into webinars, and into those mastermind calls. You want to hear clearly, and you want others to actually understand what you're saying. A muffled or echoey mic, totally embarrassing, huge disaster. Wired or Bluetooth, both work fine. I use mine every single day, especially since my spouse is often nearby, and yeah, she vacuums a lot. Trust me, if you're blasting CNBC, you've got market alerts, and you have some trading coach blaring at you all at once without headphones, it's possible you'll be asked politely, or maybe not so politely, to move out to the garage. So go grab a comfortable headset and try to find a noise canceling one at that. And by the way, if you're loving this video and you want to get the full blueprint for a perfect trading setup, grab my complete guide to trading computers. It's totally free. The link is in the description, and it'll save you time, money, and I promise you a ton of frustration. Okay, headsets are great, but sometimes you want the desk to feel alive. When you're in front of charts for 8 hours a day, having crisp, clear sound makes a huge difference. Whether it's market alerts, Bloomberg streaming, or just headbanging to Metallica while you wait for setups, good sound keeps your energy up and your focus sharp. Think of it like upgrading from a tinny AM radio to a concert hall on your desk. It just makes trading more enjoyable. Number 4, and maybe this is the most overlooked of all, and this is a really big deal, an ergonomic chair. Listen to me, if you're serious about trading, you're sitting for hours, and if your chair doesn't fit your body, you'll pay for it in back pain, neck stiffness, and ultimately a foggy brain. And here's the deal, physical discomfort directly impacts your mental clarity. If your body's in pain, your trading decisions will suffer. You may not even realize how uncomfortable you are. So do yourself a favor and invest in a chair that supports your posture and keeps you totally relaxed and chill for the long haul. Think of it as your trading throne. Every trading king or queen deserves a throne. Now for the little things that make a huge difference. Wrist rests. Try saying that 10 times fast. Wrist rest, wrist rest, wrist rest. But seriously, wrist rests for your mouse and your keyboard. You don't notice wrist strain until it sneaks up on you. Then suddenly every keystroke feels achy. Not good when you're trying to execute lightning fast orders. A cushioned mouse pad with a gel rest for your wrist and a simple gel rest for your keyboard can save you from fatigue, pain, and even long-term issues like carpal tunnel. It's a tiny investment, but believe me, it's a huge payoff. And finally, don't overlook the webcam. Trading isn't just about you against the market anymore. You guys know this. It's about connection. You guys are in trading rooms, coaching calls, accountability calls, and nothing says rookie like showing up to a Zoom call with a blurry, pixelated webcam that looks like you are still on AOL. A clear, sharp webcam makes you look professional, and it helps others connect with you. Plus, if you're ever streaming, recording, sharing your screen, a good webcam is part of the package. Okay, so here is a summary of what we just talked about. You want a wired keyboard and mouse for reliability. You want a headset with a quality mic for communicating. You want speakers or a sound bar for clear sound. You want an ergonomic chair for comfort. This should probably be the first one on the list. You want gel-based wrist rests for protection. And you want a solid webcam for professionalism. These 6 items might not sound all that flashy, but they're the foundation of a stress-free and professional trading setup. Ignore them, and you'll eventually pay the price. Now, if you want to build the ultimate trading workspace without wasting money on stuff you don't need, grab my complete guide to trading computers. It's free, it's packed with value, and it'll make your setup bulletproof. The link is below. Also, if you know 100% you're ready to upgrade and you can skip the research, check out the link in the description for the item we currently have on sale. Go ahead and click that link. It'll take you right to our most current sale. And of course, if you got value from this video, hammer that subscribe button. I'm Eddie Z. Thanks for watching, and may the trend be with you.